Hey guys, making a quick video here regarding Hugging Face and connecting it to Open WebUI. So as you see here, I have my own custom space within Hugging Face. I have the logs pulled up. You can see here, it's switching to a different model, Zephyr 3 billion parameters. The reason it's doing that is if I go here, we can see I selected this. I have this connected up to my Open WebUI. It's selecting this particular model. I triggered that by just giving it a basic prompt, and then once it loads, as it says here, it was successful. I'll send another message. I should get a response. Additionally, if I launch another Open WebUI, I also have connected the general API once this loads. So as we see here under connections, I'm connected to Hugging Face directly. This uses the free tier, which is fairly generous for what it is. And using that, I've come back in here, I can select the Qwen Coder model, which also has MCP capabilities. I can connect up to whichever ones. And just to show you that that's working, I'll just send a simple message. It takes a minute, but you can actually see the usage here. I've sent a few different messages. This one should kick in once I get a response there. But this is a good way to test if you exceed some of your capacity for your other endpoints. You can use the Hugging Face one to get a little bit more testing capacity there. So if this is useful, please comment and subscribe, and I can also open source and or open up this space for others to use it. It is just a 2 CPU, 16 gigabyte free space, so it's not very powerful, but it is good for basic testing. So how can we actually set up our Open WebUI to connect to the Hugging Face backend? Log into your Hugging Face account, go to Access Tokens, create a new token, give it read permissions, save that API key somewhere safe like a password manager, come back into Open WebUI, go to your admin settings, connections, paste in this URL. I'll include all these URLs and details in the description as well. Give it your API key that you just generated and specify the models that you want access to. Once you have that saved, your models should now show up here. If you start a new chat, you'll be able to see whichever models you specify. You can send your request, get that response, and you're using the purely free tier from Hugging Face. Hope that's helpful.